Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one only Great Dane, back with day 187 Star Drop opening. So let's see what we got.
Rare.
Starting with rare, 50 coins,
Super rare.
2 super rare, 50 power points,
Rare.
and rare, with 50 coins again. Let's see what we got for our daily freebies. I should also mention that Toon Spike is in the shop. A lot of people looking forward to this one because it just looks very interesting in game. Though I myself will probably wait till it hopefully goes on discount at some point in the future if I do decide to get it. So we're starting with 5 credits for the daily freebie. And whenever it decides to load. And I should also probably mention that you probably can't get Toon Spike out of Star Drops, because usually the 300 gem skins with the elimination effects aren't available in Star Drops. Anything that is mythic or legendary tier. Anyway, I guess I should try re-entering this shop. Okay, that's a little strange. I'm gonna have to restart the game. I guess I'll let you guys know if it was anything good. I don't really know why it's doing that. Anyway, I don't believe anything has changed. I should also mention that the Mega Pig event is started now. They reduced the amount of times you have to play matches to 15. So if you had a less active club, it should hopefully be easier now. But other than that, actually let me see if I could show you guys what events there are. I think it's just showing the modifiers. We have unlimited power, the Ice Age one. I know too many people didn't care for those, so it's the newer modifiers it would appear. I don't think they're doing the other ones. Like the bushes and the overtime ones. I know most people didn't care for the overtime one because it literally just made a blank map. But I don't know that too many people were favorable towards the new ones either. But again, just let me know what you guys think about the Mega Pig modifiers. Anyway, as of today, I have 2,530 XP doublers and 19,566 power points. Again, I don't know what's going on with the daily freebie here, but it's probably fine. So yeah guys, let's see how far I can take this now that Kit and Mika have finally been nerfed.